I started making these round cedar planters. I want to share with you guys a little tip on putting these together. It's worked extremely well for me. So if you want to make one of these yourself, hopefully it'll make your process a little bit easier. The first part of this tip is to use a band clamp for the bottom. I've taken off all the little extra corner pieces because I don't really need them for this application. They're just going to be in the way, and I'm just going to use the strap by itself. One thing you're going to want to make sure is that the length of strap that you have out is a little bit larger than your top and bottom pieces. Then once you have all your side pieces loosely fit, you're going to want to tighten the clamp. Then once I tighten the clamp a little bit, I'm going to pull that top piece up to whatever level I want it to be at. In this case, it's going to be flush with the top. Once I get the top piece where I want it to be at, I go ahead and take a large rubber band and put that around the top. The reason why I like this rubber band at top is because it keeps pressure on these pieces as you attach them. Just pull this little piece back, put your dab of glue, and then put your nail in and work your way around.